It's time for the breakdown. Coming live right now.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the All-Star edition of the Breakdown. I'm Dave Mandonka. Over there is that guy, Audley Stevenson. Audley, how's it going?
I'm chilling in the corner, having a good time, my friend. This is the All-Star weekend. It's absolutely nice to be here again, man. What's going on?
Hey, man, just enjoying the weekend. And did you see me leapfrog that car to win that dunk title?
Stop. No one's going to buy that was you, David, dog, a leapfrog in a car. And if it was a car, it was my son's Hot Wheel collection. With any car you were jumping over.
Wow. Well, thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. Everybody, this is a premiere episode, like a prime time, amazing episode of the Breakdown. As I mentioned, All-Star Weekend is upon us. We got the All-Star Special. We have a live correspondent from the Staples Center as we speak. Bobby C's on the line. And later on in the show, we got Blake Griffin. We talked to him briefly, but he got on the show.
Yeah, Blake, as you know, he came to Toronto to come play our hometown Raptors, and we got a few moments with him, so we will be sharing that in a little bit. Let's see what man Bobby C's saying. I mean, he's out in the Staples Center watching the All-Star game as we speak. So, hey, Bobby, what's going on, man?
Gents, welcome to the City of Angels, where Amar'e Stoudemire finally has an All-Star to play next to, and he is certainly even better than he is with the Knicks when he's got an All-Star beside him. Who needs Carmelo Anthony when you got the whole East All-Star team?
You know, Bobby, in true New York fashion, New York fan, I was wondering how long it'd take you to get an Amar'e Stoudemire reference in there.
He had the first 4 points of the first quarter. He looks outstanding. And definitely happy to see Amar'e playing well. And so far, the play of the first quarter, besides Amar'e Stoudemire, has been Mr. Kobe Bryant.